The Russians say, "Eat, America, for your family, for you." Eat, America, with Wetfuss 100% imported Chernobyl beef byproducts, the one and only. What's that? Your money's being wasted away on health food and vitamins for your children? But they don't like it, so they don't eat it, and that's not good for them. Besides, plutonium and uranium are the elements used to provide fuel for nuclear reactors. Just imagine what they could do for you and your children. Dial 1-800-DIE-QUICK. Digesting? No digesting. Just wait a few million years and the radioactive elements will decay on their own. Wetfuss 100% Chernobyl beef is allowed by import policies in 49 states. Sorry, Hawaii. So dial 1-800-DIE-QUIK to get your radioactive substance import license application today.